Bottom line up front, Maryland's weather is two distinct reports in one state. The state spans from the high-elevation Allegheny Plateau to the sea-level Delmarva Peninsula, creating distinct thermodynamic zones in under 200 miles of total horizontal distance. Maryland isn't just one weather state, it is two completely different worlds cut right down the middle by the bay. If you find this weather explanation interesting, hit that like button to help others discover us. Look at a map of the state. You have the Appalachian Mountains out west. Then you have the flat, sandy eastern shore near the Atlantic coast. The distance between these zones is less than 200 miles. Meteorologically, we call this a maritime influence compared to an interior continental effect. The bay buffers temperature swings for the east, while the mountains amplify them for the west. Because of that, the mountains stay cooler and get way more snow. Deep in the western panhandle, temperatures can stay 10 degrees lower than Baltimore. The Chesapeake Bay is the giant player in this story. Water holds heat much longer than land does. This is a fundamental property of thermodynamics. Surface temperatures in the bay reach their annual nadir of about 38 degrees in February, providing a lingering heat source that prevents widespread icing along the coast. In the winter, the water warms the air around the eastern shore. That is why it rarely gets as bitter cold there as in the mountains. What's your favorite local weather quirk where you live? Share it in the comments below. Now let's talk about the summer months. During July and August, the bay acts as a massive humidity reservoir, surging with moisture that sustains tropical air masses and dictates severe thunderstorm initiation timing daily. The humidity on the eastern shore gets trapped against the bay. That extra moisture means higher dew points and more summer storms. Meanwhile, the western mountains get a breeze that keeps things drier. This is often reinforced by orographic forcing, where air expands and cools as it rises, significantly reducing the dew point compared to the stagnant marine air mass east. It is a massive difference in how the day feels for people nearby. Even the plants grow differently because of these two separate climate zones. The USDA plant hardiness zones in Maryland range from 5B in the west to 8A on the coastal plains, dictating agriculture viability across the state boundary lines today. Farmers in the east have a longer time to grow their crops. Out west, the frost kills off the season way earlier in the fall. So next time you travel across the state, notice the shift in the air. It's not just one state, it's two distinct climactic regions. Takeaway: your location relative to the bay defines your weather story. Subscribe for more daily weather explainers right here on SkyCast.